Ever wondered how to make your garden healthier, more vibrant, and more productive? Allow me to introduce you to the world of companion planting. This organic method, steeped in tradition, pairs plants in a way that they benefit each other when grown together. It's like creating the best neighborhood for your plants, where each one helps the other to thrive, making your garden more bountiful and beautiful. Dive into the intriguing world of companion planting, a gardening technique that has been around for centuries. So, what makes companion planting so special, you ask? Well, the secret lies in nature's own clever strategies. You see, some plants have an amazing ability to attract beneficial insects, helping to keep pesky pests at bay. Others can enrich the soil with essential nutrients, providing a nourishing environment for their plant partners to flourish in. This interaction creates a natural balance, a symbiotic relationship, if you will. With the right plant combinations, you can create a symbiotic relationship that boosts your garden's overall health. Ready to give companion planting a go? Here's how. Start by choosing the right plant combinations. Research is your best friend here. Look for plants that complement each other's growth habits, nutrient needs, and pest resistance. Next, prepare your soil. A well-balanced, nutrient-rich soil gives your plants a healthy foundation. Now, it's planting time. Place your companion plants close enough to benefit each other, but not so close they compete for resources. Lastly, care for your companion plants. Regular watering, occasional feeding, and vigilant pest control are crucial. Each plant has unique needs, so adjust your care accordingly. Remember, the key to successful companion planting is understanding the needs and benefits of each plant. And there you have it, a greener, healthier garden through the magic of companion planting. Remember, this technique boosts garden health and encourages biodiversity, creating a harmonious ecosystem. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.